Introducing local projections for impulse response functions. Impulse response functions, or IRFs, are commonly used in time series analysis to see how a shock to one variable will affect itself and other variables after fitting a VAR, a REMA, DSGE, or similar model. Now, in Stata 18, you can estimate IRFs directly using local projections with the new LPIRF command. Specify your dependent variables, list of lags, and forecast horizon. Optionally, include exogenous covariates. Then, use our IRF suite of commands to create, tabulate, and graph your estimated IRFs. Adjust the impulses, responses, and steps you want to see. Learn more at stata.com.